The bad method of CRO. You don't really understand the statistics. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when starting learning CRO was thinking we could rely on what we remember from our college statistics courses to run conversion tests. Just because you're running experiment does not make you a scientist, right? So we have to understand rather than guessing and having a prediction by our own, look at the real-time statistics which gives you the real-time observation about your customer. Statistic is the backbone of CRO, and if you don't understand it inside and out, then you won't be able to run proper tests and could seriously detail your marketing efforts. You don't experiment on pages or campaigns that are already doing well. Just because something doing well does not mean you should just leave it be. Often, if these marketing assets that have the highest potential to perform even better when optimized, some of our biggest CRO wins, here's a HubSpot, have come from assets that were already performing well. Now, now, guesses, hunches, and gut feelings. Never guess your statistics, never guess your data. Until unless you have the real-time data with you, don't assume that this could happen in upcoming month. Wrong prediction will always lead you to failing or losing your money. Do it because your competitor is doing it. Again, it's a bad method. Now, my competitor is having a certain set of investment. What he's trying to invest on his portfolios. Now, what his goal? Totally different from that of mine. So my goal and my competitor goal aren't the same. Of course, ultimately the end goal might be the same, but the travel or the way to reach it might be different. So never do when your competitor is doing it. Executing changes based on the highest paid person's opinion. So you'll be having a thought leaders in your organization. So CR doesn't fall in that criteria. So never focus or never take just the opinion of a person when he says this has to be done for improving the content rate optimization. All these examples have something in common. They are not data based and might as well be random shots in the dark. It's better to spend the time to gather data and analyze the data so you can create a meaningful test based on the clear insights. Nobody loves running tests that fail.